station and we are going to use a U-Bahn. Remember, I told you how to use a tram, which is only riding on the main, which is only on the street, yeah, like on the ground. And U-Bahn, you need to go under, yeah. So here, like it says, it's an underground tram. Underground tram. So what you need to know, so here, for example, if you are going to the airport, you know you are taking U-Bahn too, and this is how they look like. And you always, if you know your direction, you will always know which number, yeah. And if you know your direction, it will always tell you at which station you are going to take your U-Bahn and at which time is your U-Bahn coming. And this is how it looks like, yeah. So it starts from there all the way, 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 all the way. Woo! I don't know. I don't know how long is that thing, but I'm sure it's more than 200 meters long. Yeah, and this is very fast. Okay, so yeah, these are some of our public transport in Germany. Not only in Germany, but in all European, mostly European countries, they use that kind of system. Yeah. So whenever you find yourself somewhere in Europe and you need to use public transport, yeah, remember we have a Straßenbahn and an underground bahn. Yeah.